Got a P0700 code, and now you're worried about your transmission. This code means your transmission control module detected a fault somewhere in the transmission control system. It does not tell you exactly what failed. It is a gateway code that points you toward a deeper scan. Here is how to diagnose it systematically and fix it without unnecessary expense. Degraded transmission fluid. Transmission fluid lubricates, cools, and provides the hydraulic pressure that powers every gear change. When fluid level drops, or it degrades and turns burnt, hydraulic pressures fall outside normal range. The TCM detects the abnormal response and flags the fault. Symptoms include delayed engagement, harsh shifts, and a burning smell under the vehicle. A full fluid service costs between $15 and $40 in parts. Locate the transmission dipstick with the engine warm and the transmission in park at idle. Check both the level and the color. Healthy automatic transmission fluid is bright red and nearly transparent. Dark brown or black fluid with a noticeable burnt odor has degraded past its service life. Change the fluid and filter before any further diagnosis. Burnt fluid accelerates solenoid wear and valve body varnishing, both of which create additional P0700 causes. Missing transmission codes. P0700 is a gateway code stored by the PCM when the TCM reports a problem. The specific fault lives in the TCM's own memory, which requires a scanner capable of reading transmission module codes separately. Basic code readers miss these entirely. Codes like P0750, P0756, or P0760 identify the exact solenoid or sensor at fault. Connect a scanner capable of reading all vehicle modules, not just the engine. Navigate to the transmission control module and pull all stored codes from that module directly. Write down every code before clearing anything. Each transmission-specific code you find points to a specific solenoid, sensor, or circuit that is the actual root cause behind the P0700 gateway code. Address those individual codes first before evaluating whether the TCM itself has failed. Failed transmission solenoid. Transmission solenoids are electronically controlled valves inside the transmission. Their job is to direct fluid to specific clutch packs to engage each gear at the right moment. When a solenoid fails or sticks from varnish buildup, the TCM detects abnormal response and stores a fault. Symptoms include hard shifts, stuck gears, or the vehicle entering limp mode. A solenoid kit costs between $20 and $90. Any code in the P0750 through P0798 range directly identifies a specific shift solenoid as the problem. Use that code to identify the exact solenoid by consulting your vehicle service manual or a trusted parts lookup. Drop the transmission pan to access the internal solenoid pack. Inspect the solenoid body for visible electrical damage or corrosion. Replace the identified solenoid and the internal filter simultaneously since dirty fluid is almost always a contributing factor. Bad transmission range sensor. The transmission range sensor, sometimes called the neutral safety switch, tells the TCM which gear position the driver has selected. Its job is to report the exact selector position so the TCM can allow the correct gear range and prevent the engine from starting in drive or reverse. When this sensor fails, the TCM receives incorrect gear position data, shifts become erratic, and P0700 is stored alongside a range sensor code. Some vehicles also display incorrect gear positions on the dashboard indicator. A replacement range sensor costs between $20 and $70. With your scanner connected, enter the transmission module live data and cycle the gear selector slowly through each position. The scanner should show the exact gear position changing in real time as you move the selector. Any position that fails to register, displays the wrong gear, or causes the reading to freeze confirms the range sensor is sending incorrect data. Verify the sensor connector is securely attached before purchasing a replacement part. Damaged wiring harness. The internal transmission wiring harness connects every solenoid and sensor inside the transmission to the TCM. This harness is submerged in hot transmission fluid through thousands of heat cycles throughout the vehicle's life. Over time, wire insulation breaks down, pins corrode inside their connectors, and individual wires can develop shorts or open circuits. A wiring harness fault, causes incorrect solenoid operation and incorrect sensor readings, producing P0700 alongside multiple other transmission codes. Inspection requires dropping the transmission pan. When you drop the pan for a fluid and filter service, visually inspect the entire internal harness. Look for melted or brittle insulation, corrosion on solenoid connector pins, and any wire that appears discolored from heat damage. A replacement internal transmission wiring harness costs between $30 and $90 and is commonly sold bundled with the solenoid pack as a complete kit for most popular transmission applications. Failing speed sensor. The transmission speed sensors monitor how fast the input and output shafts are turning inside the transmission. Their job is to give the TCM the data it needs to calculate actual gear ratio, confirm correct gear engagement, and time the next shift precisely. When a speed sensor fails, the TCM cannot verify that gears are engaging correctly and flags a fault. Symptoms include erratic shift timing, the speedometer dropping to 0 while moving, and the vehicle entering limp mode unexpectedly. Replacement speed sensors cost between $12 and $45 each. Connect your scanner and monitor both input and output shaft speed during a gentle test drive. Both values should increase smoothly with vehicle speed and maintain a ratio that corresponds to the currently engaged gear. A sensor showing 0 at any vehicle speed or a reading that drops out intermittently has failed. Speed sensors are typically accessible from the outside of the transmission case without dropping the pan, making them one of the least expensive transmission repairs to perform. Faulty transmission control module. The TCM is the computer that manages all transmission shift logic, solenoid timing, and sensor monitoring. Its job is to process incoming sensor data and output precisely timed electrical commands to each solenoid for smooth, fuel-efficient gear changes. When the TCM develops an internal fault from heat damage, moisture intrusion, or software corruption, it generates P0700 as a self-reported failure with no accompanying transmission-specific fault codes. This is a less common cause but becomes the primary suspect when all sensors, solenoids, and wiring test correctly. A remanufactured TCM costs between $60 and $200 depending on the vehicle. Disconnect the battery-positive cable for 15 minutes and allow the TCM to fully lose power and reset. Reconnect the battery, clear all codes, and complete a full drive cycle including highway and city driving. If P0700 returns immediately with no other transmission codes present, the TCM itself is the most likely remaining cause. If additional codes reappear, those codes are still pointing to components the TCM is detecting as faulty.